Hey sunflowers, welcome back to the channel where all the pretty girls grow and glow. As you can see, today I will be showing you guys how to brighten up your lips. How to brighten up your lips. If you have smoky lips and want to brighten them up, want to get the dark spots off of there, I will teach you a 3 to 4 step way that might cost a little under $20 or at $20 depending on the pricing of the products, to get your lips back pink, healthier and brighter how they used to be before you started, you know. But before you do that, and before I teach you, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, join the pretty girl gang. You know, all the girls grow and glow and all in between, not just girls. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, join the family. Now let's get it rolling. So as you can see, I have 2 bowls. I have this one for my turmeric lip scrub, and then this one, which is, you probably can't see it, this one is for the soften lip scrub. It's gonna be 2 different videos, but I'm definitely gonna show you how to make each of them on separate videos, of course. So we are going to start off with the lovely brown sugar scrub, of course. Now the moment we all been waiting for, the turmeric lip scrub. I got this for my local herbal store, which you can get it from. You get your local herbal store. You can get it from, I don't know if these are in any Walmart and stuff like that. I really don't be seeing like that. If they are, let me know down below in the comments. But I haven't been seeing them like that, so I don't know if they're in Walmart or anything else extra. However, I do know you can get them from your local herbal store or from your local spiritual store. So my ingredients I will be using today would be turmeric, of course, aloe, or aloe, whatever it's pronounced. I don't know, I'm not good at these pronunciation and words. I'm not gonna look it up either. So welcome to the ghetto dictionary of pronunciation stuff. Yeah. And so we'll be using brown sugar and white sugar, like I said in the beginning of the video. So first I'm going to put, well actually no, I wasn't gonna put the aloe in here, but I'm gonna take a spoonful of turmeric. I don't really, now I measured this out other than my last soft scrub, which will be also used in this video, because I will be showing you and also how to apply it also. So I probably get like a teaspoon of turmeric, not too much, because turmeric itself, actually let me take a little bit back, like a soap, it's already staining the bowl, like it's yellow. And also if you ever taste turmeric like in your mouth, then you know that it got like a taste for seafood, and I see why people use it for seafood. So now I'm going to get the brown sugar scrub. I meant brown sugar, which is not really a lot. I just poured, I don't know, I live it by eye. Everything's by eye. Please don't ask for the measurements down below, because y'all, I'm black and everything is measured by eye. But I will find the measurements and put them down below, or also in the caption of the video. So I'm going to put some white sugar here, the equal amount. I'm going to put some aloe up in here, if it can get off. I'm really trying to get the juice more than anything, so that's why I'm not trying to use the knife part. But if that part falls in, then that's great. It's gonna have to fall in now. Okay. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like a concoction of this, but I'm gonna stir it around. First, I'm just gonna stir this part around to get all the clumps out from the brown sugar and everything else. As you see, that turmeric don't take long to overpower everything. does not take long. So what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to add some honey, because to me honey always has some beneficiary factors. Honey always has some beneficiary factors to me. I don't know why you can't really see it. I guess that'll help. Yep, that'll help. I know from my other soft lip scrub you can see it from far distance, so. Bear with me, y'all. I'm not really a whole YouTuber. Like, I do it the post, or people be asking me to post, so I post it. I need some more honey, y'all. I know. Alright, that's really enough. Scrub. I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a nigga ain't getting no love with me. But I'm going. Yeah, I forgot. So after it's mixed up, let me unwrap it. After it's mixed up, it will look like this. Don't mind the Aloe piece, but it will look like this. Basically like the same as the lip scrub. As you can see, silky, smooth, shiny, and it's sticking together. And you also press it down with your finger. So the same steps that you would use for the soft lip scrub, brown sugar lip scrub, you would use for this one. So when it come together and like some doo-doo, when you come together, mash it, put it, you know, you don't have to use no water for this one. It's already made to be mushy. So yeah, this is what it look like. Puts you in some Saran wrap and you're ready to go. And your lips gonna look like this on camera. I mean, I need some lip gloss on, but my lips have gotten better over time. As you can see, I used to, but I had the lip scrub on, y'all. Don't mind me. You can see over time it's getting better. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments. They got gonna be like, dang, I got that stuff. I'm like, man, I tried that brown sugar scrub, but I will also show you that in the next sunflowers. It is now, forgot. It is now the next morning, and as promised, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the turmeric lip scrub. It still look the same from overnight. So all I'm going to do is get a little bit, probably not that much. I'm going to show y'all on here. It's just like lipstick, literally. And yeah, she gonna taste it, but that's what it is. Make sure you get all around the town. And I make sure I scrub my lips together. So some people like let it sit. Sometimes I scrub my lips together. If we're gonna let it sit, I say at least let it sit to 3 to 5 minute max. No 10 minutes. Cause you ain't got time in the morning for 10 minutes. After that factor is done, you're gonna rinse it off, of course. And since your hands are wet, you're gonna take it, cause like I said last time, this is how it sits overnight. This always looks different. You're gonna see how the honey and the brown sugar, of course, comes up and stuff. But it's gonna look like this when you start to apply it. That's a little too much, but yeah, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna take it, put some on this one right here. This one's gonna be real sticky. Sticky, icky. Also, I'm gonna tell you, if you do scrub your lips together, that be mindful the sugar will go inside your mouth, so rinse your mouth out as well. So gonna scrub it, let it sit, and I'm gonna rinse it right off. This right here is the last stage and whatever you want to do, but you can use Vaseline, of course, or petroleum jelly. You can use Burt's Beads, Carmex, whatever your chapstick of choice is. Use it, apply it on, because your lips is going to be dry right after both applications, so you want to moisturize it up, especially after the turmeric scrub, because it it just, I don't know, I forgot what factor and why it dries it up. But it definitely dries your lip up. But the SugarScrub helps hydrate it and also get your lips back, right? But you don't want to go around with chapped lips. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply my chicken grease. and now we're all finished. So those are the steps in how to make your own brightening scrub and how to get your lips back brighter and pink before you started off. You know what I'm saying? So get your lips back right, girls. If your lips was your money maker, you know, people love your lips to get it back right, get it back pink, get it back lush. You know what I'm saying? And especially you want your lips softer, I promise you it's gonna make your lips softer and your boo gonna love your lips. Gonna be like, ooh, baby, your lips are soft. Trust, your boo gonna love your lips. Okay. But thank you guys for watching and tuning in. I love all my sunflowers. If you're not ready, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and also comment down below your take on this scrub and how did it work for you. Peace.